Hello everyone, today I'm playing Evil Egg. It's made by the same guy who made Yomi Hustle. And since that's the most popular video in my channel, maybe... Nah, this is not the same kind of game. It's like an arcade roguelike kind of game. It is really difficult. It's not out yet, but you can wishlist it on Steam. I'll probably put it in the description. I will try to explain it as I go. When I play this game, I try to go for the easiest stages, and unless there's like a really good upgrade on the other side, like this is a damage upgrade, so I'll go with this one. Kill these guys. These are green guys that you need to save. They can take damage. If they take damage, you get less score. It does get pretty intense later on. Most of the time I can't even kill the first boss. Let's get the fire rate upgrade. And we get the plasma cannon. It does have ammo. I can't just spam it, but it is a really strong weapon. I'll show it to you guys in a second. Please die. These have so much HP. There we go. Taking damage in this game is actually really bad. Okay, it's bad in every game, but especially in this one because HP isn't that important. When you take damage, you lose an upgrade. Like I'm trying to get a range upgrade right now by clearing this stage. And if I take that upgrade and lose it later on, I need to do another stage to get it back. It's the more you take damage, the weaker you get. And because you're weaker, you will take more damage. It's terrible. God. There we go. And because one of the green guys took damage, I got less score here. But we have the war bell, which means the green guys will now actually attack enemies. Which means I'm not gonna rescue them. Which means they will take more damage and I'll get less score, but I will have an easier time. Some of them might die, but that's a sacrifice I'm willing to make. That's another range upgrade, so I'll go here. I'll use my plasma cannon this stage to show off what it does. And it does this. I shouldn't have used my plasma cannon there, but oh well. Yeah, mirror makes my shots bounce from the walls. Pretty good upgrade. There's another upgrade here, it's high score, but I'll go for it. No, stop eating my guys, please. Oh god, I lost an upgrade there. Oh, one of my guys died. That sucks. Okay. Let's go up. Easier stages, please. This sucks. I hate this enemy so much. Oh, there it is. It's sometimes hard to see the enemies because there's so many lights flashing in front of your eyes. Yeah, I'll go get the health. What? I couldn't even see what hit me. Oh god, what the hell? That was... I don't know how I didn't take damage there. You can break an upgrade if you don't want it. I mean, not an upgrade, this is an artifact. Though, I don't hate this, I guess. I don't really know. I think when I take damage, I like explode or something. But it's not that useful. Oh, come on. I exploded a mine on my face. I took damage again. Great. I'm losing more upgrades and I'm losing more HP. These yellow boxes are the extra ammo, so let's go get HP and more ammo. Oh, this is what it does. I can just... I was trying to understand my upgrade. So when I dash and hit the wall, I make an explosion. I didn't even know. It doesn't explain on the artifact. Not a terrible score, but still. I couldn't even show you guys the boss. I can show off my score. My high score. I am 7th of all time. 8.5 million points. It's not bad. I'm not gonna try to get a higher score. It's pretty good. But yeah, that's the game. Eve Leg. Wishlisted. Buy it, play it, hate it, uninstall it.